Hello, today we will guide you through how to print multiple emails in Gmail. If you need to print several emails at once in Gmail, this method is a simple workaround that helps group them together before printing. We'll walk through the process clearly so you can follow along without missing anything. Begin by opening Gmail and going to your inbox. Once you're there, look through your messages and select all of the sample emails you want to print. You can do this by checking the boxes next to each email. Take a moment here to make sure you've chosen the correct messages, since these are the ones that will be included in the next part of the process. After selecting the emails, move to the toolbar at the top of the inbox and click the three-dot menu. This opens more options for the selected messages. From that menu, choose Forward as Attachment. This is the key step because instead of forwarding each email one by one, Gmail bundles the selected emails together as attached files in a new draft message. When the new email draft opens, enter a sample recipient in the To field. Make sure you use the intended recipient for your workflow. If you're just preparing the emails for access in another inbox, double-check the address before continuing so everything goes to the right place. Once the recipient has been entered, click Send. Gmail will forward the selected emails together as attachments in a single message. This makes them much easier to manage in one place, especially if your goal is to print them all from a single forwarded email rather than opening each message individually. Next, open the forwarded email after it has been sent and received. Inside that message, you'll be able to view the forwarded content and attachments. This is the combined email you'll use for printing. Before printing, it can be helpful to quickly confirm that all intended messages are included so you don't have to repeat the process later. Finally, go to the top right corner of the forwarded email and click the print icon. This opens the print window where you can review your printer settings, choose your destination printer, and continue with printing. If needed, you can also save the result as a PDF from the print window, depending on your setup. That's all it takes to print multiple emails in Gmail using the Forward as Attachment option. It's a practical method when you want to gather several messages together and handle them more efficiently.